Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Heart Coding. In today's video, I'll be introducing a beautifully designed cake shop and bakery website built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This fully responsive template comes with over 20 custom-designed pages, including home, menu, product details, about, contact, and many more, all crafted to perfectly represent a modern bakery business. The layout is clean, mobile-friendly, and includes smooth animations, making it ideal for anyone looking to create a premium online presence for a cake shop or dessert brand. If you'd like to get the complete template with all 20-plus pages, the purchase link is available in the description box below. Now let's take a closer look at the design and features of this delicious project. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of this responsive cake shop and bakery website. If you found this design helpful or inspiring, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Heart Coding for more web design tutorials. And remember, if you want to get the full template with all 20-plus pages, you can find the purchase link right below in the description box. I'll see you in the next video.